We'll show you how to use the zoom slider and touch gestures in Microsoft Word to zoom in and out on any document. Open your project in Word. Drag the zoom slider left or right. It's in the lower right corner of the Word window. Slide it right to zoom in, and slide it left to zoom out. You can also click the plus or minus buttons next to the slider to change the zoom level by increments. Return this slider to 100% to return to normal view. Click the View tab to see more zoom options. Click Zoom to get a dialog box, and you can set the zoom to a certain percentage. You can also press and hold Ctrl and scroll on your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. If you have a touchpad, you can pinch your fingers on the touchpad to zoom, separate your fingers on the touchpad to zoom out. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.